We're all feeling it. That moment when direct deposit hits, the money comes in, and almost immediately you are doing mental math. Everything from rent, groceries, gas, insurance, something unexpectedly always sneaks in. And somewhere in the middle of that stress, a lot of people have realized something that's uncomfortable. In 2026, one stream of income is no longer enough. Not because people want luxury, not because people are greedy, but because people want to breathe. Inflation keeps stretching everyone's dollar thinner and thinner. Rent keeps climbing, everyday expenses cost more than they did a year ago, and wages, they don't keep up. That's exactly why I created this video above, because it explains exactly what I'm referring to. But back to the one income stream, this is what a lot of people don't talk about enough. Nearly 40% of Americans have some type of side hustle, and that number is growing every single year. Not because people love being busy, but because they want options. They want security and leverage over their own circumstances. So today, I want to walk you through side hustles that are actually worth considering in 2026. The real, practical side hustles that can put money in your pocket and, if you treat them right, can grow into something bigger. When I look around my network, almost everyone I respect financially has something going on the side. One of my friends does photography on the weekends. Another does consulting after his 9 to 5. Someone else runs a digital shop that started as a hobby. But here's the key thing. None of them started because they hated their job. They started because they want control. And now, running Money Talks Media, I've seen the same pattern within the community. People aren't lazy and they're not chasing get-rich-quick schemes. They just want income that doesn't disappear whenever their paycheck is delayed. That, my friend, is why side hustles matter more now than ever. All right, let's get into it. Now, let's understand trending side hustles for 2026. Here's where the conversation starts to get shallow. People throw out a list without actually explaining how they work. So let's first talk about what's driving demand. Number one, freelance writing and editing. This hustle continues to grow because businesses are producing more digital content than ever before. Blogs, emails, social media posts, websites, etc. Most companies don't want to hire full-time writers anymore. They want skilled freelancers that they can pay per project while keeping expenses low, but flexibility high. Number two, AI tutoring and training. This is quietly becoming a real income stream. Companies are not just using AI. They are struggling to use it effectively. People who understand prompting, workflows, and practical applications are training teams, improving processes, and saving businesses time and money through AI tools. Number three, print on demand and digital products. This works because it removes inventory risk. Once a product is built, it can sell repeatedly without a lot of additional effort. I'll be real with you, the learning curve is real, but the scalability, it's attractive for someone who wants income without it being tied to the amount of hours that they work. Number four, drop shipping with niche products. Drop shipping still works when you avoid oversaturated trends. The real money is in niche market with specific problems. When you focus on a targeted, clear audience versus general products, that's where margins grow and competition drops. And number five, social media management and micro influencing. Social media management continues to grow because companies know they need an online presence. But here's the key. They don't have the time or consistency to manage it themselves. And that's where you come in. And at the same time, micro influencing is expanding because brands realizes that smaller audiences convert better than larger ones. The local creators and niche pages are growing quietly. And as we wrap up this category of side hustles, here's the thing. A lot of these don't require a lot of startup money. What they do require is skill, patience, and consistency. Everything we just covered is where demand is growing. These are the trends shaping how money is being made in 2026. But trends alone, they don't help if your situation does not allow for travel, flexibility, and upfront risk. So now, let's bring it back to practicality. This next group is not about what's flashy or viral. It's about what you can realistically start from your living room with the time you have and the skills that you can build quickly. This is where side hustles stop becoming ideas and start becoming options. Here are the side hustles you can start for from home. Number 1, virtual assistant work. Virtual assistant roles are growing because founders and smaller teams are becoming overwhelmed. I know what you're thinking. Well, Josh, you talked about AI agents in this video above. What's the difference? Well, the difference is we're not there yet. We are years away from AI agents fully replacing people. But back to the virtual assistant work, here are the tasks: scheduling, inbox management, customer support, and basic operational needs. They may sound simple, but done well, they can save businesses a massive amount of time. Number 2, online tutoring. Online tutoring continues to rise because learning never stops. Math, English, finance, technology, and test prep are always in demand. If you understand a subject well, someone is always willing to pay to learn something faster and clearer. Number 3, freelance design using simple tools. Tools like Canva has dramatically lowered the barrier to entry. Everything from logos, social media posts, banners, ads are constantly used by small businesses who can't afford full agencies. Number 4, content creation. As y'all know, this one is my favorite. Content creation for a lot of people is not just a hobby. YouTube, short form, and blogging have become real income streams for people who treat it like a business. Consistency and audience trust matter way more than perfection. And for a lot of you who are doubting, you don't have to be perfect to start. Me personally, I don't strive for perfection. I just strive for what matters most. And number 5, digital reselling. Digital reselling is one of the most overlooked plays. Flipping items from Facebook Marketplace or eBay is not glamorous, but the margins can be surprisingly strong for the people who understand pricing and demand. The best part about these hustles for working professionals is they fit into nights, weekends, and spare time. The true earning potential comes from sticking with it long enough that you get good. Oh, and I almost forgot. A bonus side hustle that you can do this year is subscribing to Money Talks Media. Just imagine how much you can learn a year from now when you stick with us. This channel is built for people who want smarter income streams without burning out. And also, it's for people who don't want to sacrifice all of their peace to make it happen. But one important piece before we move on. A lot of people think side hustles are just for extra cash. But the true value is who you become while you're building it. The skills you stack, the confidence you gain, and the way you think starts to change over time. A year of the right information compounds faster than people realize. Now let's zoom out, because some side hustles aren't meant to stay small. Some of them are designed to grow to realistically replace your job one day. Let's talk about those. High-paying side hustles that can replace your job. Number 1, software freelancing and automation. Developers, designers, and people who build simple automations are in high demand for small businesses. Small and large organizations want efficiency without having someone full-time on payroll. And that gap creates opportunity, because when they save time doing tasks, that indirectly puts money in their pocket. Number 2, consulting. If you are strong in marketing, finance, HR, operations, technology, and you have a ton of experience, that's your leverage. Businesses will pay for clarity and execution when the knowledge is packed correctly. At my job as a finance expert, I track a lot of the vendor expenses. And a lot of the vendor expenses that the bank pays is for consulting services. So if that doesn't prove that your knowledge and expertise can get monetized, then I don't know what will. Number 3, niche asset and specialty flipping. Think about industrial equipment or specialty assets, or even think about running targeted e-commerce rewards. This is a segment of the market with fewer competitors and higher margins. And now we're wrapping this up with the last one. Number 4, real estate photography and videography. This continues to grow because people are always listing live online. Better visuals leads to faster sales, and the agents that are supporting it understand the value underneath. These are hustles that income can realistically climb into the thousands per month. And once you build reputation, then the referrals start to compound as well. That's why it's so important to stick with something long enough where you can actually start seeing the results. A lot of you quit way too early before you start seeing the traction. All right, so we're gonna wrap this up with 3 more points, and then I'll let you get started with your hustle. But I know what you're thinking. How do I choose the right side hustle? This is where a lot of people go wrong. They chase what's viral instead of what fits their life. Here is a better framework. Choose something that matches your existing skills, not starting from zero. Choose something that you're genuinely interested in so you don't quit after 2 weeks. And also, choose something that fits your schedule so it adds value, not stress. And make sure that it aligns with your financial goals. In other words, if I trade my time now, will it produce a greater return later on? Let me save you some pain and a headache. Don't spend too much money up front before vetting the idea itself. Don't fall for fast money promises that sound too good to be true. Because honestly, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And once you start making income, don't ignore taxes because you will get a surprise later on. Don't overwork yourself so much to where your main income suffers. A lot of people sleep on their job or their 9 to 5, and that's where they go wrong. Your main source of income is where you make the most money, where you gain the most skills, and where you build the biggest relationships. And the last point, don't switch side hustles every month. You don't give it a chance to grow. I'd say stick with something for a year and see how it turns out. Consistency beats excitement every single time. So let's pull everything together and show you how to maximize your side hustle in 2026. If you want real results, treat your hustle like a system, not a hobby. Use tools that save you time, batch your work when possible, track your earnings so you know what's working, reinvest a small portion of your earnings to improve efficiency and save time, and do not underestimate small progress. Your small wins matter. Celebrate them. How much you should invest. $50 a week becomes $200 a month. $200 a month becomes $2,400 a year. This is how financial security actually starts. If you're serious about building more income in 2026, remember this: you do not need the perfect side hustle. You need a solid idea, a clear plan, and the discipline to start showing consistency. Your side hustle does not have to replace your job if you don't want it to, but it can absolutely change how safe, confident, and free you feel about your future. And my friend, there has never been the best time to start than right now and after this video. But as always, let me know how your journey goes. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you later this year.